The Z5II is equipped with a full-frame sensor. You can capture beautiful photos with ease, even in dark places. In this video, you will learn how to take captivating night snaps and portrait shots using the Z5II. Here are the 3 topics that we will cover. Aperture Priority Auto is recommended for nighttime snapshots. Adjusting the aperture allows you to capture photos in the way that you envisioned. We recommend using prime lenses with a wide maximum aperture of f1.8 or faster for shooting. Using a lens with a small aperture value expands your range of creative expression. If the brightness is different from what you had envisioned, you can adjust it by using exposure compensation. Shooting with a dynamic composition can dramatically change the impact of a photo. For example, using a vari-angle monitor to frame a shot where more of the ground is visible can dramatically enhance the city's atmosphere. In addition, by capturing reflections of light on water or streets, you can give your nighttime cityscapes a magical atmosphere. You can also change the look of a photo by using picture controls. By increasing the clarity and saturation in the picture control settings, you can give your photo a sharper look with more vibrant colors. Furthermore, you can apply creative picture controls to achieve a diverse range of visual styles. The effect level can be adjusted to create the desired look. The Z5II is also compatible with the Nikon Imaging Cloud. This allows you to send picture controls from Nikon imaging recipes to your camera. Enjoy taking photos using more unique picture controls. We also recommend adjusting the white balance to change the look of your photo with minimal effort. Selecting incandescent will bring out blue tones for a cooler look, while selecting shade will enhance red tones for a warmer atmosphere. Equipped with a full-frame sensor and excellent AF performance, the Z5II allows you to capture clear images of people even in the city at night. We recommend using Aperture Priority Auto as the shooting mode and setting the aperture to a value around f2 to f2.8 so that the subject stands out. Keep the ISO between 1000 and 3200 so that the shutter speed is not too slow. If the subject's face appears too dark, adjust the exposure compensation while making sure the brightness of the face takes priority. When shooting portraits, setting the AF area mode to Auto Area AF ensures that the camera keeps the subject's eyes in sharp focus. You can use the light from street lamps and establishments to achieve a clearer shot of your subject. Avoid shooting directly under a light source, as it can cast shadows on the face. Instead, find a spot where the light falls softly on the subject's face. Find a spot where the light falls softly on the subject's face. Find a spot where the light falls softly on the subject's face. Find a spot where the light falls softly on the subject's face. Find a spot where the light falls softly on the subject's face. Find a spot where the light falls softly on the subject's face. Find a spot where the light falls softly on the subject's face. Find a spot where the light falls softly on the subject's face. Find a spot where the light falls softly on the subject's face. Find a spot where the light falls softly on the subject's face. Find a spot where the light falls softly on the subject's face. Find a spot where the light falls softly on the subject's face. Find a spot where the light falls softly on the subject's face. Find a spot where the light falls softly on the subject's face. Find a spot where the light falls softly on the subject's face. Find a spot where the li We recommend using the skin softening feature when shooting portraits. You can choose from 3 effect levels: low, normal, and high. The camera automatically gives the skin a smoother look during shooting. By decreasing the contrast and clarity in the picture control settings when shooting, you can give the subject of your portrait a softer look. By using SnapBridge, you can upload photos to social media immediately after you take them. We hope you enjoy some nighttime photography with the Nikon Z5II.